how to add new user in Windows 11. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to open our settings right here. So if you can find your settings, all you have to do is to go on the search bar and then search for settings and then just open that. And then you should be redirected right here in this page. Now what we're going to do here is to go on and click this accounts. And then once you do that, just scroll down until you see other users, which is right here. So click that. And then once you click that, you should be able to see all of the users that you have created. Now, if you don't have any users right here, all you have to do is to click this add account. Now, you will be redirected right here, or this will pop up. Now, what we're going to do, if you want to log in or if you want to create an account with a Microsoft account, all you have to do is to type the email right here. If you don't want to log in with email, all you have to do is to just click this I don't have this person's sign-in information. So just click that. And then once you do that, click this add a user without a account. So just answer the information right here that is going to be asked. So what is the username of the PC? So let's say, for example, this one. And then make it secure. So type the password that you want to put. And then in case you forgot your password, so just choose that and then answer it again. Same goes with here. And then for this one. Now, once you're done with this, just click next. And then as you can see, we now have created a new user in Windows 11. So that is basically it. That is how to create a new user in Windows 11.